I'll be honest. I used to be afraid to work on my own guitar amps, and for good reason. You see, tube amps run on voltages much higher than what comes out of your standard residential wall outlet, and the capacitors inside can store those voltages for hours, if not days, after you unplug them. So if you don't know what you're doing, this is not the place to learn. This is my Peavey Deuce VT Series. I got it back in high school. It's got 6L6 tubes for the power section, but the preamp and effects section are solid state. Now, ignorant me back in high school thought tube amp, that's what you want. I didn't know the difference, but I fell in love with the sound. Now, it's been sitting for 10 years, and when I plugged it in a few years ago, I got nothing, no sound at all. I mean, am I really surprised? Take a look at this thing. The speaker cones are all dented up. The tubes are probably shot. The foot switch is long gone. I want to bring this thing back to life. Full restoration, whatever it takes. Now, here's the thing. With an amp that's been sitting this long, just going ahead and plugging it into the wall is a really bad idea. You see, if there's a dead short or something, I could cause more damage than has already been done. That's why before I do anything else, I'm going to build a simple tool that acts as a safety net, a dim bulb tester. So here's how it works. You start with power from the wall. In the US, that's 120 volts AC, 3 conductors. Your neutral, your hot or live, and then your grounding conductor. We run the neutral and the ground straight to the receptacle that we're going to use to plug the amp into. And then we're going to take the hot and we're going to run that through or in series with a resistive load. In this case, we're going to be using an incandescent bulb. You plug the amp in. If something's wrong, there's a dead short inside the amp, that bulb is going to light up bright and it's going to stay bright, and it's going to tell you that if you plug that into the wall, you're going to probably blow something up. And if everything's working fine, but you'll see the bulb light up bright and then slowly dim, and it'll stay at a very dim glow. Success. So that's why this is a great tool to use if you're going to start working on electronics of any type. It's a pretty simple tool to build, and I'm going to show you in another video exactly how I built mine out of this old parking lot light. We're going to keep digging into this. I'll do a couple more videos. I'm going to do a video to show you exactly how to build one of these. I have another parking lot light, so I'm going to build another one from scratch so you can see step by step exactly how to build your own dim bulb tester. You don't need this case. There's ways to do it with parts from Home Depot and Lowe's. Like and subscribe. If you know anything about vintage gear and you want to share any tips, leave me comments, send me messages. Thank you again for watching the video. You know what? Why don't we go ahead and plug her in and see if she makes any sound, right? Off to a good start. But hey, it works. That's awesome. So now I have no idea why we didn't get any sound out of this amp before, but there's plenty of other things we're going to have to fix on it along the way. I'm so excited.